Hi, friends. So today we are doing chapters 7 and 8 in Restart. If you are just joining us for whatever reason, I want you to take a step back, pause, and go to Monday, January 4th. If you are still with us this week, it'd be the Monday button. And if you need to go find the files, it's file 0104. And so I want you to start at the beginning of the book. Every day for this book is worth the same amount of points until we get to the project at the end. And that's on purpose so that you have no problem starting at the beginning and just making up that work rather than starting in the middle and being confused. As always, click this link to read chapters 7 and 8. Click this link for the audio playlist. If the playlist does not come up with chapter 7 right away, there will be a list of chapters on the right, and you can choose the track that says chapter 7. We only have 3 questions about today's reading. It is a much shorter day today. That's on purpose because I respect the hard work you've put in all week. So what does Shoshana's reaction to Chase joining the Vidiot Club tell you about her as a person? And whenever you see it and you're like 3 to 4 sentences, Ms. Vaughn, sounds like a long 3 questions. The other 2 are quite short, so don't stress out about that at all. Give me 3 to 4 great sentences here to really earn your points. What do you think Chase's father has to do with his reputation or past life? And then now that we've had more time with Chase's father, what is your impression of him? You only need a complete sentence on both of these. I have really strong opinions on Chase's father. We'll talk about him next week during our Zoom meeting, but I want to give you time to form your own opinions. And then here, if you're in my language arts enrichment class, you've already done a lot of review with these, but if you're not, let me hook you up with some information. We've got 3 forms of there. We've got the first form, which is like, please put my coffee mug over there. And it makes sense with here as well. So if you could replace there with here, it's in the word, then you know which form to use. The second form of there is a possessive form. So please hand Sam their scissors. T-H-E-I-R. And you know that it's possessive because the I looks like a little human, and humans can possess things. They can have things and own them. The last form of there is a contraction where we smush 2 words together and have they are. So if you can replace there with they are and it makes sense, you want the T-H-E-Y apostrophe R-E version. All I want you to do is write down 3 sentences about characters in the book. This could be your impression of them. This could be you acting like a character. Let's not overthink it. Don't try and find sentences from the book or anything hard. Just make up 3 sentences. Each sentence needs to use a correct form of there. And then we're back on our character trait train. So, character traits, we have a list of positive traits. I've got a list of negative traits. You are always allowed to think of your own character trait words. I just wanted to create a word bank for you. I know that it is early for a lot of you or late for a lot of you, and I didn't want you to have to work too hard. So if you don't agree with these and you've got your own word, as always, add that in. But if you need a list, I'm here for you too. So here's a list of positive character traits and a list of negative character traits. And we're only going to work with 2 characters again. So we're going to work with Brendan and Joel. So what's important to me the most is this explanation part. So you're going to choose 3 character traits. It could be a combination of positive and negative. You're going to type them there. And then you're going to make sure that you explain why you chose that. That is how you get the points. Typing in 3 random words, not a way to earn points, right? Not a way to prove to me that you understand who Brendan is. So as you type, we can only get the typing box in a square, so obviously a rectangle. If it goes out of the lines, I don't want you to stress out. That's not what you're graded on. If it stresses you out, you can always make it smaller and fit inside the shape. So let's give 3 character traits for Brendan and explanations why, and then 3 for Joel. And that is the end. That's your whole day with me. So let's go back. I need this to be explained well. I need 3 random there sentences about characters in the book. And then I have 3 questions over the text, but one of them we need to really focus on because we're focusing on character development in the story And Shoshana really develops her character by reacting to Chase joining the Vidiot Club. Please email me on Gmail or Schoology if you have any questions. As always, I'm here to help. If we're having trouble turning stuff in, we can always video chat and we can share a screen to help, whatever is needed. I love you lots, and I will see you soon.